2 weeks, 3 neighborhoods, and roughly 1 million WeChat messages. Guess what? We finally did it. If you watched my previous apartment hunting video, you saw where this all started. Hello guys, welcome back. So I found a new apartment around this area. I'll be meeting someone to take me to one of these apartments. So let's explore together. Any foreigner who's hunted for a home here knows it is not just about the rent, it is about the vibe of the community, the neighbors, and a lot more. 30th floor. 30th floor. Oh, I see. First, let's begin with the toilet, which is very important. It has a different kind of washing machine. I think it's good. The water is okay. The heater, the water heater. I think this section is okay. The living room. It has a small TV here. 这个可以吗？可以用吗？可以。Okay. All right, it works. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Feel it.
这个还行。
还行。Let's check this bedroom. 没有，是有放。如果单住就有放床吗？
可以。
Okay, it has a nice view. Let's check this. Let's check this view. Wow. Here, and we're going to check the balcony to see how the view actually looks like from afar. Closet here. Here's the balcony. It's a small balcony with a piece of water heater for taking showers. But the living room has a very small refrigerator. I don't think it's even a refrigerator. It's like a fridge. Let me check. Yeah, it's a fridge.
Yeah, the first apartment we found a big refrigerator.
Yes. Oh, even the windows it's a problem. 那个窗户，这个窗户可能有一点问题吧。我刚刚开了，但是关不了。看吗？看吗
2点吧，你跟他说他现在找个地儿吃饭或干嘛的。
Let's check the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. I think the sink is pretty new.
这是新的。
Yeah.
这是新的。台面是新的。
I can see that the sink is new. Let's take a view of the sink. It's new.
Looks nice.
Okay. 可以。如果他想住的话，那时候可以修的，不对？
可以。但我不太会弄。这个你住的话，到房主都给你弄好。
So this is 2 bedrooms and a living room. 这个房子多少钱
？1200。
1200 RMB. 那物业费谁付？
你们。
多少钱是物业费
？1个月78。1元1平。
那我会联系我的朋友，让他知道，这个地方是1200。但是如果他告诉我说，他喜欢还有点贵，我会告诉你。
可以。
那我们可以去看其他吗？
可以。
好吧。Let's go and look for another. There's another apartment that she wants to show us. So let's go check it out. This one is a little small. He's gonna love this place because in the community we have a shop where you can buy little things and groceries and stuff. Community, it has a place where you can walk out a little outdoor gym for the old people and for the families that live in this community. It's nice.
It's better than the first one.
Yes, yes. Oh, the living room. Wow. And the living room, the chairs, sofa, the couch is good, is great. TV. Let's check the refrigerator.
Bigger than the first
It's bigger than the first one, yes. This one is good. Here's the dining section. It's combined with the living room. Let's check out the kitchen. Well, the kitchen looks okay to me. It has a microwave. It has a, water boiler. And here the smoke extractor. And even some pots for newcomers. Yeah. Check. Okay. Clean. And this one is like automatic. It works. Yep. Let's check the bedrooms. So 2 bedrooms. Here is the first bedroom, which is smaller than where we will go next. This one is smaller than where we'll have to go next. I think this is visitors, the guest bedroom. Here's the master's bedroom, which is quite nice. I'm pretty concerned about the mattress. The mattress is always thin. I don't think my friend would love to use this one. Probably if they have to take this apartment, they will have to buy a new one. Or he will have to buy a new one probably. It's fresh. The view isn't bad. There's a school over there. Here you can relax here with your coffee. And there's a study here. It's this little study. It's a closet, okay. It's a nice closet. Let's check the bathroom. There's still some properties inside, like the towels and, But I love the washing machine. It also has a heater, like the heating system is here. You can feel that cold in the winters. It has a window. I love to always have fresh air, so cool. I think it's nice. Let's find out about the price. 多少钱？这个1500 RMB， 1500。谁付那个费？那个手续费？谁付手续费？
中介费。
中介费谁付？
中介费是你们签1年合同，没有中介费，房主付。
好吧，那手续费呢？手续那个
物业费。
物业费，
物业费是你们付。物业费、水电、燃气、暖气、宽带。
这个1年的物业费是多少？不是1年，1个月的物业费多少钱？
这个应该在86左右。
哦。
它就是1元1平1个月，这个面积应该在是86。那
如果我们放这个价格1200，不可以吗？
不足。这个刚才有个小姑娘在谈，最低就是1450，而且这个小姑娘给她谈的是房租给她付1年。
那我给我的朋友联系。
因为这个设施在这周边比较新，它可能这些也就2年左右，这些买的家具。
我懂了。Alright, so there you have it. Apartment 1 or apartment 2. Personally, I'm leaning toward the one with better space and new items. But my friend is kind of obsessed with the one that has a balcony and a better view. Please, which one should he choose? Drop your comment below and let me know. And I'm going to post his reaction in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will get notified. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Ciao, I'm out.